Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to stamp. So this is a beginner's guide to stamping. Stamping can be a little tedious if you're starting out, but trust me, it is quite easy. Once you get the hang of it, it is very easy. You just need the proper tools, more especially the most important thing is the gel, not the nail polish that you use. I think that's the most important thing. And the stamping plates also have to be well engraved, because if it's not, then it's not gonna work. So to start off, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna need. So obviously we need our stamping plates. So if you guys didn't see the video of me unboxing these, you can check out the link here. I'll put it up for you. I got these from Jelly's South Africa. It's a South African online website. And some normal nail polish. This is normal nail polish. And you're gonna need acetone or a nail polish remover, but I prefer acetone. And you're gonna need these are lint-free wipes, or you can use cotton pads as well. And you need a paper towel for your surface. You're gonna need it to put it on your table to avoid messing up your setup. And then you will need your stamper and a scraper. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, your stamping plates always come in this blue residue. Sometimes it's white, but in most cases it is blue. You need to, so this protects the engraving on your stamping plates. So you guys can see I have short nails. Can you believe it? I'm actually enjoying it. I can't believe I'm enjoying short nails, but I'm not gonna have them for long because this is not my style. But anyway, we move. So yeah, it comes out with this blue plastic thingy to protect your engraving on your stamping plate. So you always need to peel this off. So my first encounter with a stamping plate, I didn't know I had to peel this off, and yeah, it gave me a hard time, and I ended up throwing these out. So yeah, you peel this. It is that easy. You just pull it off, and then now you can fill the engraving on your stamping plates. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using I'll show you 3 kinds of stamping plates. So you see this one has the art is like all over the show, so you can choose where to stamp from this plate. And then here it has small rectangles. The patterns are in rectangles, so you can just use one pattern from this. And then they also come in small designs like this one. So this one is the art collection. This one you can be creative with and maybe stamp 2 or 3 kind of stamping in one. So I'll have this one as an example as well. This one also comes in small designs that you can just use from this plate. To start off, for your stamper, so if you do not prep your stamper, it is not gonna stick. The nail polish will not stick. I'm gonna try and make an example of that first. And for our nails, I'll be using the swatch stick from one of my gel polish swatch sticks. And yeah, let me try and make an example of an unprepped stamper to see if it's gonna stamp, and then if it doesn't, I'll show you guys what to do. So I'm using Planet Nails gel nail polishes. So your basic nail polishes for stamping that you need are definitely black, white, and silver, and maybe gold depending on your clients. Those are your basic colors before you can get any color. So you just take out some of it, and then I like this design here, Passion. So you apply some on your stamping plates, take your scraper and scrape it towards your direction. see, like that. And then you take your stamping and place it on your stamping plate lightly, and you see. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So the stamping plate did not pick up that design. It didn't pick up that design because we did not prep our stamper. So another thing, you need to work as quick as possible with nail polish because it dries quickly compared to your gel polishes. So every time after using your stamping plate, you need to wipe it off with your with your lint-free wipe and acetone. So now to show you how I prep my stamping plates. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna wipe this with acetone as well. Wipe it down, give it a wipe down with your acetone. This is how I clean my stamping plates. So what I do to prep my stamping plates is you take your buffer. So this one is old, yeah. I prefer actually old buffers compared to the new ones because the new ones are a little bit I don't know how to explain this. The new ones are a little bit harsh on your stamping plate. So you take your buffer and lightly buff your stamping plates, just lightly. Make sure you do not go in hard because you do not want to mess up your stamper. So you see now it looks matte, it's no longer shiny. And then again I'll wipe it down with my acetone. Okay, so now we're gonna try again. I'm gonna do the same pattern again and then same procedure and spray, pick up the design, and here we go. See? Now it picked up better than before. Actually, the whole stamping plates, the whole stamper is filled with the design. So now you need to be very fast and do not take your time with nail polish because it takes time to dry out. See? How cool is this? This is so cool. Very, very easy. See? Very easy. And then again, same step, like it's very easy, you guys. You just wipe down your stamping plates, well, your stamper, and wipe down your stamping plates. And then obviously, every time after your design, you're gonna top it with top coat. Like it is very easy. Like I always run to stamping if I don't know what to do with myself. It's the quickest thing you can do. So now let's try another design. We're gonna peel this off. And Planet Nails nail polishes are only 30 rands. They're very cheap and they get the work done, more especially for stamping. It is easier for them. I actually wanted to stamp this pink on the pink, but anyway, we're gonna use this yellow. So here I like this. This is an African collection. Let's use this print here for that. So this is my first time using this nail polish, and yeah, you guys can check out the haul that I did on the channel as well for this one. So go on like that. Scrape it off. Okay, I didn't put a lot because now here, see, it did not cover the entire design. So we're gonna wipe that off again and this time be generous with our nail polish. Okay, last attempt. I'm gonna try this the last time. So clearly I'm not being generous with my nail polish. Great, here we go. And then this is our design. And place it on the nail and stamp. See, it is that easy, very easy peasy. Okay, now it did not fit my whole design. So now with these kind of designs, there's a way of incorporating them if the nail is long, but I honestly prefer them with short nails because then the whole design can fit your nail. And then with these ones are cool with longer nails because now you have variety of, like, you have a whole lot of space to fill your nail, and you have a whole lot of design to fill your nail here. So these are great for shorter nails. And then with these ones you can just do a whole lot of designs for that. So this is basically it. Stamping is very, very easy. Remember, you just need to prep your stamper as well as make sure that your stamping plates are well engraved. Like, it is super easy. I enjoy stamping so much. And what I'll do for you guys is I will do a separate video of stamping designs. So yeah, that's what I will do for you, because now I don't have a lot of time to show you guys. And you can also do gradient effects with stamping, and you can also do reverse stamping. Yeah, I'll do a separate video on that. This was just to show you guys tips and tricks on how to stamp. Like, it is very easy. I cannot emphasize this enough. And to top off this video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on a stamping starter kit from Planet Nails. I do not have it here. I did not buy it. I don't want to buy it because I want to have a winner first and then buy it and have it delivered to that person, because I don't want to buy it and then have it delivered here, pay for delivery for shipping to my place, and then once I have a winner, then have to ship it to you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do. So for you to stand a chance to win this stamping kit, you're gonna have to be subscribed to this page and to my YouTube page, and you're gonna have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel and comment down below. Tell me what you like about this channel and what you'd like to see going forward on this channel, as well as subscribe and follow me on my Instagram page at delicate_dolls. It is simple as that, and then you stand a chance to win that's a kit. Also, I'll only do the giveaway once we reach 500 subscribers. So I'll be reminding you on my Instagram page as well to keep on liking, sharing and subscribing so that we get to 500 subscribers here on YouTube. So as soon as we reach those 500 subscribers, then I'll do the giveaway. So yeah, on my post, when I post on Instagram, whatever post I post, do comments there to show that you are active. And the tip is to comment, leave whatever comment you want with the hashtag road to 500 subscribers. I hope it is that clear. Let's run that again. You subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram page, and then on my post, like the post, comment whatever you want to comment, and with the hashtag road to 500 subscribers. And then that is it, and then you stand your chance to win your starter kit, stamping plate starter kit from Planet Nails worth 525 rands. And then once you are the winner, I will DM you, and then you give me your shipping details, and I'll buy it and have it sent to you straight. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, it was very simple, and as usual, please comment down below with whatever questions you want to know about stamping, and let us make it a discussion on the comment section down below. Like I said, someone might have the same question as you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.